Hi guys, today I will compare the sound of the JBL Clip 2 with the brand new JBL Clip 3. As you can see, in terms of size, there is no big change, their dimensions are quite identical. Under the hood, both have a single driver with 3 watts output power. So let's see how big the difference is and how much JBL could improve the sound of the Clip 2. I will play some songs on the speakers and tell my personal opinion at the end of the video. Please put on your headphones. Okay, so overall I'm happy with the Clip 3, it has a much clearer and more powerful sound while the size remained the same. By the JBL Go and Go 2 there were no big difference in terms of sound quality. Here I think the improvement is quite significant and the Clip 3 has a better overall sound. However, let me know in the comment section what do you think about the sound of the speakers. This was for today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.